I do not want to hear the excuse that you were not aware of the inflation reports that are going to be released as soon as tomorrow. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. And again, if you want to stay up to date, make sure that you subscribe. I'm going to start sharing my screen so you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm looking at. I want to keep today's video super short and sweet. Market is overbought. I don't care if you think that the market can go higher for longer. It's overbought based off of previous patterns. And it's important to know that, especially before what is about to be reported. So looking at the overall NASDAQ market, we are testing previous highs. Now, we're not all the way back up to 449, but we're at 443, right? So taking it into consideration, definitely huge pullback potential if and only if these economic reports that are about to be released starting tomorrow do not come in as expected. And what economic reports do you think that I'm talking about? Well, for those that are unaware, this week we have inflation reports, an inflation report on the producing side of things and the inflation report on the consumer side of things. They're known as PPI and CPI reports. They're one of the most important reports that get released on a monthly basis. And starting tomorrow, 1 hour before the market opens, there's going to be a PPI report, which is super, super important. And then on Wednesday, 1 hour before the market opens, there's going to be a CPI data report. And in my opinion, if you're going to be asking me which one's more important, people always care more about the consumer and less about the producer. That's just my opinion, though. But overall, these two reports are about to be released. Tomorrow, it's going to be the PPI report, so I wanted to break it down for you. What is the market's expectation for this PPI report? Well, on May 14th, 2024, the forecast for tomorrow is that inflation is actually going to go up from 2.1% to 2.2%. Now, what could possibly happen if inflation comes in higher than what is expected? Now, this is not the type of report that good news is bad news and bad news is good news. This is not the type of report. Bad news is bad news and good news is good news. So if the actual report comes in higher than what is forecasted, be ready for the markets to drop. If the report comes in lower than what is expected, that means inflation is lower than what was expected on the producing side of things, be ready for markets to go up. It's literally that simple. And then on Wednesday, it's the CPI data report, which is, again, inflation on the consumer side of things. I would be more than happy to go live. I'll leave it up to you guys. If you want me to go live 1 hour before the market opens, get this video to over 1,000 likes. That's all I ask you. I just want to make sure enough people show up. Market opens at 6:30 a.m. in Arizona. So that means I have to wake up at 5:20, 5 o'clock so I can go live by the time that these reports are released at 5:30 a.m. So again, I'm more than happy to wake up early for you guys as long enough of you actually show up. So drop a thumbs up, get this video to over 1,000 likes, and subscribe, but make sure you turn on your post notifications because if you don't, then again, YouTube will not notify you when it is that I go live. But even if I don't go live, right? I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of what's to happen this week. So I don't want to hear any excuses of, oh my God, the market changed direction. Oh my God, I don't know why this is happening. Why did the market quickly sell off? Or why did the market quickly skyrocket? You are now aware. So please do your part in preparing. No one can predict the future, not me, not you, not anyone else. We don't know what these reports are going to come in as. We just know that they are very influential. A lot of people don't even like trading during this entire week because of how much volatility can present itself. So again, if you're someone that doesn't do well with volatility and with that kind of risk, then look out for yourself. Just making sure that you guys are aware. So I hope that earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And again, if you want to be able to watch me trade live every morning right at market open, that's the second link in the description down below. And if you sign up today, you can watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow right at market open for our live trading session. So again, we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, team.